Friends, in this session, I'm going to explain about field parameter in Power BI. This is one of the new feature in Power BI. So, if you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel and also like my channel and also share with your friends. Why? Because in this channel, I will provide complete training of Power BI from beginning level to advanced level and all the interview questions, real-time project explanation, TNR based, much more updated in this channel. So if you follow my classes from class 1, you will definitely will get the job and also easily survive in the real-time environment. So in this video, we are going to discuss about field parameter with real-time scenario. I have recently attended many interviews. Most of the interviews asked about the field parameter with the scenario implemented in the project. Okay, so I will show exactly how I implemented in my project. Okay, so first of all, let me go to Power BI desktop. I have taken AdventureWorks data here. So you can, so if anybody watching first time video, you can please check class number 3 and 4. In class 3, we explain how to download and install AdventureWorks and in setup in the SQL Server. Okay, in class 4, we explain how to download and install in SQL Server, Northwind database. Okay, both databases are important. Okay. So, okay, we'll see. Now here, if you observe here, we have the tables like product, sales, right, customer and that, right? Okay, we consider one thing. So if you expand the product, you can see the category. Okay. So what is my exact requirement is I want to take this category as a slicer. Okay. In my slicer, I want to show this category as well as if we expand sales territory, in sales territory, we have the country. Okay. So now in my slicer, I want the category and country. Okay. And here, based on the category and country, I want the aggregated the data. Okay. Let me remove this one first of all. First of all, what you have to do is here already I have taken the sales amount from the sales state. Okay. That is fine. No need to do anything here. Okay. Now we have to achieve by using the field parameter. Okay. So first of all, go to the modeling tab. In the modeling tab, you can find here new parameter. You can click here. You can see here fields. Okay. This is called a field parameter. You just click here. Here parameter name. So I will keep as aggregation because I want to see the aggregated data. And whatever the columns you are going to use as a slicer that you can take. In the product table, I want to take as a category as a slicer. And in the sales territory, I am taking country. So if you want to rename, you can double click country, you can rename. Okay, that is also possible. Okay. And now what you have to do? Simple. You have to click on create. See, add slicer to this page. Just click create. Okay. So make it slicer. Yeah, it is already slicer. I want to change the settings. So in my project, I have shown as drop down. And what is the settings I use? Single selection I use. And yeah, single selection I use. Okay. So now, same aggregation I am taking here. See this? So once you create the field parameter, you can see this code. Okay. So automatically it will create. Okay. Category name of and 0, 1 order. Okay. And now I'm going to take this aggregation as rows. Okay. And we have the sales. Right. Now see. This is my slicer. In the slicer, now if I select here country, based on the country, I can able to see the aggregated data. So based on the category, I can able to see the aggregated data. So this is the exact scenario I have implemented in my project. Okay. You can also say this scenario you have faced like that. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you have still any questions about this, you can reach out me. Okay. So if anybody requires special training on Power BI, you can email to this email or you can call to this mobile number. My WhatsApp number also same. Thank you for watching my video.